Many people say a 24-hour fast can reset your body and that it's full of benefits. But is it really all good news? Let's see what scientists actually found inside the body after one full day without food. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Cactus. Welcome to your channel, Cactus Health Hub. In this video, we'll see what really happens to our body during a 24-hour fast and get familiar with its potential benefits and risks. So, let's head to the lab to check out the reliable research results together. In 2023 study at Maastricht University in the Netherlands, 12 healthy men took part in a fascinating experiment. They had to go 2.5 days, 60 full hours, without eating, only drinking water. The results were amazing. Even after one full day without food, their bodies switched into a new mode. They started burning fat instead of sugar for energy. And after just 18 to 24 hours, their cells entered a state called autophagy. The body began cleaning itself, recycling old and damaged cells, so new, healthy ones could grow. In simple words, the body kind of resets itself. But here's an important point. In some people, stress hormones like cortisol spike, especially if their body isn't used to long periods of fasting. So, a 24-hour fast can refresh your body, but if done incorrectly, it might shock your system. Alright guys, time to jump into the screen and travel to the planet of problems to check out the potential issues of fasting. Then, we'll journey to the planet of solutions and get familiar with simple tips for fasting. Let's go! So, what really happens inside your body when you fast for 24 hours? Number 1. Fat burning kicks in. Your body stops using sugar and starts burning stored fat for energy, which can make you feel a bit shaky at first. Number 2. Insulin drops sharply. This keeps blood sugar in check, but some people feel weak, dizzy, or low on energy. Number 3. Ketones rise fast. They fuel your brain, helping you focus, but can also cause fatigue, headaches, or bad breath. Your body goes into survival mode, sharper but under pressure. Okay, so how can you fast safely and get the benefits without the risks? Number 1. Start small. Try 12 to 16 hours before jumping into a full day. Number 2. Stay hydrated. Drink water or mineral-rich drinks to avoid dizziness. Number 3. Break your fast gently. Don't attack food. Start with light, protein-based meals. Number 4. Listen to your body. If you feel weak, shaky, and nauseous, stop. Fasting is not a punishment. And that's how you can make fasting work for you. Simple, safe, and effective. Welcome back, my friends. I hope you've got a good look at the bad effects and the simple, effective solutions. Now let's check out the key takeaways. So, fasting isn't just skipping meals, it's a powerful reset for your body's internal rhythm. When done right, it can boost fat loss, balance hormones, and sharpen your mind. But always remember, health isn't about extremes, it's about balance. Remember, this info is for learning, prevention, and boosting your health. If you notice any serious issues with your body, be sure to see a doctor. I put the video source from PubMed in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on staying healthy. And let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. So until the next video, take care of yourself. Goodbye, my friend.